Hello to everyone. Good morning ug maayong buntag sa tanan. No, I'm so blessed and I'm super thankful to God in the highest creator because nandito na ako sa Pilipinas, guys. I'm doing my full-time business in Elise Empire. So sa lahat na naghahanap dyan na gawing extra income habang nagtatrabaho kayo sa ibang bansa, this is the right opportunity. At lalong-lalong na dito sa Pilipinas na sa mga nasa bahay lang, this is the best opportunity, the best company, the best community na tutulong sa inyo, no, for financial freedom. But you need to invest here because this is the investment, is lifetime investment and pwedeng ipamana, and you have you have a benefits, I mean, you have insurances, magkakaroon kayo ng marami. At this is the best opportunity because this is a lifetime investment, no. Saan pa kayo maghanap, no? Pwede nyo gawin na nasa bahay lang kayo, pwede nyo gawin nagka-travel kayo, pwede nyo gawin nasa trabaho kayo while you are free. You do this online business because this is an online business. This is in only social media, By the way, ako pala nga si Franklin Miras here in Visayas. No, I am a Negros Sanon ba yan? And thank you so much for your watching, guys.